Hello?
What's up? So I had to redo this video because I unfortunately didn't have audio for the first take of the pre-install of the stealth kit for the Propex furnace. So I had to put the old pipes back in. It's a little warm. I had a hard time doing it. It's been so warm lately. So here we go. I'm going to show you what it's like to not have the silencer kit in here and show you how much of a great improvement this is for a short run on one of your Propex heaters, especially in the Expedition 2.0 from Off-Grid Trailers. So let me fire this up, if it will. If it will. All right, here it goes. It's going to get hot in here, so this should fire up now. Just going to let you listen. Pre-purge. And again, you're about the distance you'd be away to hear this. It just resonates in here, so. There's the fire. And there's hot. So, while it's not really loud when you're out in the middle of nowhere and camping and it's totally quiet, it's really loud when it comes on. So this upgrade is to me is a necessity. It's a perfect match. Quiets this down. Yeah, it's going to be a lot nicer in the winter and the cool days to sleep in here with the furnace on. So okay, we finished up the install. We got the new ducting in. I squeezed the silencer kind of up there. It's kind of hard to see. And then we have the silencer down here for the supply. So I'm going to set you guys down if I can here. We're going to fire it up. I don't think there's a whole lot of difference on the outside, but I'll fire it up now. And you guys tell me what you think. It's, I think personally, slightly quieter outside. But wait till you hear the inside. There it is. Definitely quieter out here. Wait till you hear the inside. Let me shut it off. Okay, let's put you guys inside. So, if you remember before how loud it was. Okay, so here we are inside. This is the comparison. Let's just say I'm pretty impressed. Here we go. It's doing its pre-purge. Should start firing up now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Here it goes. There it is. That's high. That I can deal with. So Off-Grid Trailers make this a standard upgrade with the furnace, and it'll be wonderful. Or yeah, standard upgrade with the furnace for sure. It's night and day. I can sleep through that. Okay, hopefully this helped you guys out. Made a decision. I'll put a link to where I got this silencer kit in here in the States. It is imported, so it takes a little bit to get in. Most of the time, I think you need to order an extra length of the insulated ducting. But I give it 2 thumbs up. I think it's a necessity with this furnace. So, thanks guys for hanging out. Make sure you hit that follow button and the subscription button and all that stuff. Use the links if I post them below. It only helps me out, and we're getting this ready for some expeditions time and some reviews. And hope you guys can join me on the adventure. So, peace out. Love you guys. Stay safe. We got quiet heat. It's good stuff. I'm gonna go to bed now. What's up, guys? Sorry, I had to read beep beep beep.